Hello students, welcome back to the Gokhale Education Society's online lecture series. Today we are going to start chapter 2, that is silk. Let us see points to be studied in this chapter. Historical information of the silk fiber, countries producing silk fiber, types of silk fiber, manufacturing process of silk fiber, properties of silk fiber, uses of silk fiber and applicability of silk fibers in day-to-day life. In this session, we are going to learn about introduction, historical information of the silk fiber and manufacturing process of silk fiber. So, let us study one by one in detail. In last chapter, that is wool, we have already revised about classification of fibers, and from that it is clear that wool and silk are natural fibers and both are obtained from animals. Being an animal fiber, they are also termed as protein fiber. So, student, silk is natural fiber because it is obtained from or collected from nature. Then silk is animal fiber because it is obtained from worm. Silk is protein fiber. Silk is produced by certain caterpillars. Silk is filament fiber. Here, what do you mean by filament? All of you know that according to the length, there are two types of fibers: staple fibers and filament fibers. Short length fibers are called as staple fibers, and the fibers which have long in length are called as filament fibers. As silk is long, it is termed as filament fiber. And the last point is silk is often called as queen of fabrics. Then let us see about historical information of silk fibers. History records the Chinese as the first people who knew how to raise silkworms. And again, Chinese are the first who manufacture silk and make cloth from the filaments of silk. It was discovered in China about 2600 BC, about 1765 BC. The mulberry tree was cultivated to provide food for the silkworm. About 300 AD,